Still struggling to drive laser-targeted traffic to your business but feeling overwhelmed and don't know where to start? Do acronyms like CTR, CPC, ATR, and LTV make your brain hurt? Most of all, do you want to drive tons of targeted traffic to your business, increase sales and profits but not even sure what strategy to apply? Or do you desire to increase your brand awareness and online presence in a cost-effective manner? I want to show you how. But first, what is your biggest marketing challenge right now? Boosting your brand awareness. Building trust and relationship with your audience. Getting the most solid results in a cost-effective manner. Boosting long-term traffic for your business. This can be a huge challenge. We understand that, and you are not alone. Now you too can take your business to the next level with the best use of our special Facebook Marketing Made Easy report. The Facebook Marketing Special Report will show you a step-by-step method, take you by the hand and teach you how to create high-converting Facebook marketing campaigns to boost leads, sales, and profits. Teach you crazy simple Facebook marketing strategies and get better results in a cost-effective manner. Show you how to increase your brand awareness and online presence, thereby bringing in more customers, which means more sales. Sounds like what you need. It's 100% free to grab this book. Let's have a quick peek inside this book. By taking advantage of these proven strategies, you'll deliver measurable results, so that you enjoy your brand and watch your online presence grow without spending much, even if you have no marketing experience. To learn more about how you can easily reach out to your targeted business audience, boost brand awareness for your products and services without spending much, increase your brand awareness and online presence, boost long-term traffic for your business, build trust and relationship with your audience, improve search engine ranking, get best results in a cost-effective manner. Click the link below or visit blessagtech.co.uk/Facebook. Put in your first name and email address and we'll deliver it directly to your inbox in less than 60 seconds. I will see you on the inside.